This is a training session regarding closing a job. When a job has been completed, some accounting transactions need to take place to move the costs that have been expensed to this job out of the control accounts that are used for active, ongoing jobs. These costs will be moved into general ledger accounts indicating that they are closed job costs. The job can then optionally be removed from the system. Select Job Closing from the Job Costing menu. This window includes a list box showing all our open jobs. Using this column, we can tag any number of these jobs we wish to close. To close the jobs, we click the Close Tagged Jobs button. The system will ask us if we wish to proceed with posting of the job closing. It will also ask us whether we wish to make job closing transactions to the general ledger, and whether we wish for our tagged jobs to be deleted after they're closed. The verbiage of this message tells us what the system will do during the job closing process. If we click the Proceed button, the system will ask what fiscal period we wish to post the closing transactions to. We can select the default, which is our current fiscal period, or we can select any other open fiscal period. We then click this Post button, and the system will post the closing transactions for the tagged jobs. It will also print out a listing of all the closing transactions. At the end of the job closing posting, we have one last chance to look at our posting report and make sure we really do want to close these jobs. We can then click the Finish button. If we notice something we would like to change before we close the jobs, we can click the Undo button, and the data will return to the state it was in before we clicked the Close Tagged Jobs button. If we click the Finish button, JobView will make permanent all the accounting changes and either set the status of our jobs to closed or delete them from the system, depending on our answer to the deletion question earlier. Closed jobs will not accept any new transactions, and they can be excluded from job cost reports. If jobs have been previously closed but not yet deleted from the system, they can be reopened using this same program. Simply select the Reopen Previously Closed Jobs radio button, and you will see a list of the jobs that have been closed but not deleted. Tag the jobs you wish to reopen and click the Reopen Tagged Jobs button. Closed jobs can be subsequently deleted from the system. In order to delete a job that has been previously closed, select Job Setup from the Job Costing menu. Make sure the checkbox at the bottom of the window titled Show Closed Jobs is checked. Closed jobs will be displayed in red. Highlight a closed job and click the Delete button, or tag multiple closed jobs and click the Delete Tagged button. The jobs will be permanently deleted from the system. This concludes this training session regarding closing jobs.